Good morning, welcome, thanks for joining me. Day 4 of the drone in a baitboat. The purpose of the project is to bring 4K underwater cameras and their work to my channel. The drone is mounted inside the hull of the baitboat. The top has been cut down so the rear part of the hull can be removed quickly to change batteries or power on, off, or generally do any work on the drone. The Baitboat load carrying capacity was cut down to enable the hull to sit down low enough above the drone, but it's still a close enough fit when I just push it together, so that looks promising. Anyway, time for some underwater tests. What do I have at my disposal? We could fly out to my villa in Marbella and try it in the pool, or we could just run a bath. Yeah, I'm saving air miles. I ran a bath of cold water. 1, to test the integrity of the hull. 2, to test the integrity of the window in the rear of the hull. 3, to see the inclination of the boat with the drone mounted at the rear. And 4, to get some footage to see whether looking through the lens window will produce anything worth usable. Ran a few inches of water in the bath. No point in having it any deeper really, as long as the baitboat didn't go aground. It was going to work for this test or tests. I decided to place a pair of snipe nose pliers and a stubby cross-headed screwdriver on the base of the bath as targets, and then I would drive the boat under its own power backwards and forwards over the targets while capturing the video evidence on the drone. and filming the whole lot with another camera, just so you could get an idea what was happening. I ran up and down over the targets, saw them on the screen of the monitor, noticed that there was some magnification issues going on. When I was directly over the targets, the picture was spot on. As soon as I moved off them, the objects became skinny, elongated. So I guess that's to do with the magnification. But this is the project as it stands, so we'll live with it. Now, it crossed my mind that the battery of the drone is designed to last for approximately 15 to 20 minutes of flying. And when you aren't flying, i.e. when you're just filming, as I am, it can last considerably longer. But although I did run at least two videos to see what sort of length, duration of video I would be making, an error popped up on the screen, drone overheating. So, what are the implications of that? If it shuts down, does it save the video file? If it shuts down through heat, does it damage anything? I guess we'll have to test it, not to destruction, but just to the point where it does shut down, and then we'll see. A couple of things I can do to assist the temperature of the drone. I can remove the upper part of the hull, leave it open to the elements, and chance that I don't get splashed by any wildlife, ducks, etc. I could install a fan, or I could just live with the fact that I have a limited filming time. But that's probably for another day. Let's see the footage and the stills during the tests underwater. Thanks for watching.